Hi, welcome to Infosys technical session. I am Rajendra here. Today morning we discussed so far what are the input output statements. So what are the input output statements? It is also called as input output functions in C language. So what are they means, that is printf and scanf, puts, gets, putchar and getchar. These are all comes under the input and output statements. We have seen the syntax and we have seen the examples of the input output statements. Okay, to call those functions, what are the headers files are required, all those things we discussed in the morning session. Now we come to the next topic, that is operators and expressions. Now we will see what are the operators are available. So we have arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators, bitwise operators and special operators. I repeat, arithmetic operators, relational and logical operators and special operators, and bitwise operators also there. So we will see the arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? Addition, subtraction and multiplication, division, modulus, decrement and increment. These are the operators are comes under the arithmetic operators. Here the minus is for, there are two ways for we can use the minus. One is subtraction, second one is unary minus. Okay, next plus operator, addition. So star, asterisk, it is also called as asterisk. Multiplication point of view, we use the star operator. Next, division, modulus, decrement and increment operators. These are all called arithmetic operators. So this is unary operator. Here we have, just you can see here unary operator for minus a. Here this is subtraction operator. There are minus operator is used for two purposes. It performs two actions. One is unary and second one is subtraction. So expressions inside the parentheses are evaluated first. Okay, here priority of the operators is whatever we have written, the expressions inside the parentheses that are evaluated first. Okay, you just see your example, 1 star 2 in the parentheses brackets, opening and closing brackets, 2 minus 3, first this is evaluated, minus, that is minus 1 into 1. So that is the value we will get. Next, just you can see this expression, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5. So this is the first evaluated 1 plus 2, next this is 3 plus 3, next 3 plus 4, last minus 5. Okay, this is the evaluation. So left to right, evaluation starts from left to right. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. There are two types of increment and decrement operators, that is pre-increment and post-increment, and pre-decrement and post-decrement operators. Now we will see here increment and decrement operator, there are two types. Okay. Pre-increment, post-increment. Next, pre-decrement, post-decrement. Okay, we have two types, pre-increment and post-increment. Next one, pre-decrement and post-decrement. What are they now? We will see. So, mostly we use this pre-increment and post-increment operators in the looping statements. So, we will see the examples where do we use the pre-increment and post-increment. First, just here I am writing one value a equal to 2. Okay, a plus plus, this is the post increment operator. A plus plus means, so a is incremented by 1. A is incremented by 1. So, whenever a is the first statement is executed, then only value is incremented. So, first we will get the output here 2 only, old value only, later it is incremented. Okay. First value of variable is executed, okay, later value is incremented, So, the meaning of this one is, if I am saying a plus plus here, first the value of a means what? That is 2. 2 is displayed on the screen. 2 is displayed on the screen, that is 2 is printed. Once the 2 is printed on the screen, next only the value is incremented, that is now the value is, after displaying the value of a, then only value is incremented. Now, if I am saying the printf of a, we will get the 2. Okay. After executing the value of a, next I am saying the value of a, then it will display the 3. First it is displayed the old value, after execution then only value is incremented. That is the meaning of the post increment operator. Okay. Next we will see another value, into b equal to 2, printf plus plus b. Now you tell me what is the value of b. Now the value is 3. If I am saying again here printf of b, now also 3, means the first the value is incremented, then only it is printed on the screen, that is a pre-increment operator. First the value is incremented, then value is executed, then variable statement is executed. That is the meaning of the plus plus b, pre-increment. Okay. Next we will see difference between pre-increment and post-increment operators. if you consider example A equal to 2, now we will see the what happens. First we see the post increment. Point 1. If I am saying A plus plus, meaning is A equal to A plus 1. Okay. Next, in pre-increment operator, first point is plus plus A means A equal to A plus 1, both are incrementing only, both are incrementing only. You can write like this also, no problem. Instead of writing A plus plus, you can write this also, no problem. Instead of writing this, you can write this also, both are incrementing by one only. Next, we will see the difference in post increment operator. First, the value of variable is, that is post. First, the value of old value, first the old value of variable is executed, later variable of value of variable is incremented in post increment operator. That is example int A equal to 2, printf of A plus plus, printf of A plus plus, printf of A plus plus, A means the value of A is increment, the value of old value only displayed. Next, if I am saying here printf %d, A means now the new value is displayed. That is the meaning of this one. Next difference here in pre-increment. First, the variable is incremented after incremented value only executed in where in pre-increment operator. In pre-increment operator, that is A equal to 2 plus plus A, printf of %d A. The meaning of this one is, first the increment value is displayed, means 3. If I am saying again printf, same value, only once only it is incremented, that value only remains. Okay, this is we use the pre-increment and post-increment operator. Next, decrement operators. Next, decrement operators. into a equal to 2, a minus minus. Here also there are two types. One is pre-decrement and post decrement. Pre-increment and post decrement operators. Now we will see the example here. Printf of a, printf of a percentile d comma a. Now the value is 2 only. Okay. Next I am saying that printf percentile d a. Now the value is 1. So decrement operators means value is decremented by 1. Value is decremented by 1. Okay. That is a equal to a minus 1. That is the meaning of the a minus minus. Okay. So value is decremented. There are two ways value is decremented before execution, after execution. Okay. Before execution means pre-decrement, after execution means post-decrement. Now we are doing here after decrement, after execution, that is after execution of the variable a, then only it is decremented by 1. Okay. Next we will see the example, that is a minus minus a into b equal to 2 minus minus b. Okay. Now I am printf percentile d b. Now the value is 1. Now the value is 1 because the value is 2 minus 1 is decremented, executed. Okay. So here if you are writing again also we will get the same result, same output. That is the meaning of the decrement, pre-decrement operators. So for that only this slide is explaining that only. I can increment or decrement on the variables, I cannot decrement the constants or ordinary expressions. Okay. Here just look here, this is the expression, I cannot decrement, increment or decrement. Okay. Here I can decrement or increment the pre or post increment operators by using, it is also okay, but not on the constants. Here the digits, I cannot increment the on digits, I cannot perform on the digits, constants, I can perform only on the variables. That is the meaning of the this. It can be applied to variables but not the constants or ordinary expressions. I can apply to the variables but not to constants or ordinary expressions. Just it may be prefix or postfix. Okay. So value is same, that is x equal to x plus 1 only. If I am saying that plus plus a or a plus plus, the meaning of this one is a equal to a plus 1 only. Okay. Increment postfix, this is a postfix operator, that is expression value is a current value, before you increment then only it is increments. Okay. Increment prefix, expression value is the value after you increment. We already seen examples here, x equal to 10, okay, y equal to plus plus x. Now the value of y is 11 now, because it is a prefix, pre-increment operator we are using here. Look here, second statement here, x equal to 10, y equal to x plus plus. Now, if you want to display the value of y, it displays the before incrementing value only, that is 10 only, old value only it is displays. You can see here another example, that is int I equal to 3, j equal to 2, comma k. I plus plus means what? I is incremented by 1, that is 4. Okay. But if you want to display here, that old value, that is 3 value only displayed on the screen. Next here j equal to plus I. Now, the j value is 5, j value is 5 when I equal to 4, when I equal to 4, when I equal to 3 plus I, already we incremented one value here I plus that is 4. Now, here I am once again I am incrementing, means that will become 5. Okay. K equal to I plus plus, k equal to I plus plus, this is a post increment operator. First the value of I, that is 5 is old value is displayed, stored, then only later only I is incremented here. First the old value, that is 5 only will be stored into the left hand side variable k, but not the 6, okay. I will write one example program, then you can understand easily. Here I am writing one program. Include stdio.h, include h equal to 2, int a equal to 2, where a equal to, we are assigning one value, initializing the value 2. Now, k equal to a plus plus. Now, you tell me what is the value of k now? If I want to print k value, that is k. Now, we will get the output, that is 2 only. Okay. Then after execution of this one only, now the value of a is incremented, that is the meaning of this one. Next I am writing one more example. I think you understood this example, post increment operators. Plus a. Now, what is the output of here? K. Yeah, here I will get the 3, here 3. Okay. This is the pre-increment and post-increment. Just this pre-increment and post-increment are frequently asked in the, it is being asked in the interviews. Next, look here, the k equal to minus j plus 3, k equal to minus j plus 3. So, k value is incremented by 1, k value is incremented by 1, here the j plus minus j means what? Minus j, that is j already we have seen here, j value, that is 4, 4 plus 3, okay, that is 7 is stored into the k, 7 is stored into the k, okay. First the value is decremented, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 3, that is 7 is stored into 7. 7 is stored into K. That is the meaning of this statement. L equal to 4, N equal to 3, M equal to 2. L equal to 4, N equal to 3, M equal to 3. These are the initialization variables. X equal to L star N plus M plus plus. L star N, L star N. First this one is will be evaluated. 7 into 2. 4 3 is 12. So this is a value. First the star is evaluated. X equal to, just after the assignment to X. So the value is 3. The M value is 3. First the M value is 3 into A comma B comma C equal to 0, A equal to plus plus C, B equal to C plus plus, C plus plus. Now you can estimate the answers here. Now you can estimate the answers here. What is the value of A now? Plus plus C means what? Okay, we will get here 1. B equal to C plus plus. B equal to C plus plus means 1 only. The first old value is only displayed here. Now C equal to what? Now 2. Now 2. C value is equal to 2. First 0, 1, 2. That is the answers. Next, another look here, another logical question here. Into A comma B, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, 12. Here B comma A are the variables of type integer. B comma A are the variables of type integer. Okay. A equal to 1, 1 is initialized to A, 1 is initialized to A. Next 12 is initialized to B, 12 is initialized to B. Next printf A plus 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 B. Okay, just look here, what is the value of this one? That is the A plus plus. First A value is incremented. A value is incremented. Next plus B. Okay, A plus 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 B. So first A plus plus 1 plus 12, 13 we will get the output. Okay. Next we go for the relational operators. Generally relational operators are used to compare the two values, which are used to compare the two values. So it is referred to relationship that value can have with one another. Okay. What are the relational operators we see here? Relational operators, name, operator, so what are the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. These are called relational operators. These are called relational operators, which are used to compare the two operands, two variables. Okay. We will see one example here. Int a comma b semicolon, where a equal to 4, b equal to 6, a equal to 4, b equal to 6. Now I am writing the relational operators here. If a is greater than b, a is greater than b, true or false, means 4 is greater than, that is 4 is greater than 6. 4 is greater than, which is false, which returns false, Okay. Next, I am writing another example. If a is greater than, a is less than b, that is 4 is less than 6. So, which returns true, Next, less than or equal to. Next, if a is greater than or equal to b, okay. For example, int a equal to 2, b equal to 2. So, here what happens if we get which returns true, that is 2 is greater than or equal to 2, okay, which is true only. Next, if a is double equal to b, it is also true, because 2 double equal to 2, okay, which is also true. This double equal to means comparison operator, which is used to compare the two operands. So, if both are equal, both the variables are equal, which returns true. If it is false, if it is both are not equal, which returns false. Next, a is not equal to b, which is false, because 2 both are equal only. This is a relational operators. Next, we go for logical operators. Logical and logical two pipe symbols, logical or logical not. Okay, these are the logical operators. Okay, this is AND operator, this is OR operator, NOT operator. Okay, these are the logical operators. When the true or false, then only which output is true. Okay, if anything is false and true, result is false only. Okay, just look here, false, it is false only. If the both are false also, it is false. Okay. Next, we will see the OR operator. If anything is true, OR operator, anything is true, result is true only. Okay. Result is true. If at least one is true, so result is true. Both are, when it becomes false, both are false only, it becomes false. True only whenever both the expressions are false only, result is false. These are the operators of the C language. If possible, if time permits, next we see the next remaining interview questions. Thank you all. I wish you all the best.